Hi, my name is Lydia, and I'm looking so forward to going to the Philippines to see how God is working there. Our God is universal, and I'm just so excited to see how He's blessing the people there.
Hi, my name is Edwin, and I'm so excited that we're going to the Philippine mission trip. And I would like you guys pray for us so God can use us in a mighty way over there. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kevin. I can't wait to go to the Philippines to see what God is doing in the ministries that He has set up there and immerse myself in the Filipino culture and learn from them.
Hey LHCC family, I'm very excited and thankful to be serving on this missions trip to the Philippines. As a worship leader and musician, I'm hopeful that God will do incredible things in the local church communities and even in the worship teams. As we enter new environments and cultures, I'm excited to see how that change, at least for us, how that looks different in their worship spaces and in their worship posture compared to ours, and see what we can learn from each other. But yeah, as I said, as we enter new spaces, I please ask for your prayers, for our protection, and for our health, and that those will see the true beauty of Christ in our mission. Thank you.